What's up, you guys? So, yes, it's here. I ordered this a while ago, and it just got here, but like in rough shape. Sorry about the floor. It's been snowing outside a lot, so we've been tracking down a lot of crap. This box was opened. What other box? There was 5 boxes. This box, that's the condition of that box. Just these toys. Those didn't come from RC. Okay, hold on. Let me open this. I'm gonna open it good. I want to make sure this is done right. Everything. Even opening the instructions. Yeah, how weird like that. Okay. So, here we go. Let's see what we got. I don't know where my tripod is. So, we got stickers. Rough Country. What are these for? The shocks? Or for the car? I don't know. Oh, a parts catalog. Trying to sell you some more stuff, huh? Huh. Well, anyways, I don't want their gear. This is a 2000 to 2006 Chevy Tahoe 6-inch lift kit. Their non-torsion drop lift kit, I guess is what you would call it. Optional equipment. What is that? So that's all the tools we're gonna need. We're gonna be doing this soon. The weather gets better. That should be everything that comes in the kit. I need to go through and make sure it's all there because some of these boxes were opened and I'm not sure, you know, maybe my dad wouldn't do that, so it's definitely them and their hokey shipping. Torsion key, we're gonna have to make that tool because I'm not buying it from them. It looks like to me we're gonna buy an exhaust clamp and drill a hole through it and thread a bolt in it. That's what we're gonna do. So, hi baby girl. Alright guys, so look forward to the video of us unboxing this stuff, making sure we have all the parts, and it's gonna be like a little series, and then the next video we're gonna get tires, and then the next video we're gonna install the stuff. So look forward to that. Thanks for watching, and Rough Country 6-inch non-torsion drop lift kit coming soon. Thanks you guys. I'll probably post a video of unboxing this stuff later tonight, so, or tomorrow morning. Okay, later.